Hey, what's up guys, it's Mac and we're back with another tech review video, and today we're going to check out the Rakk Karul RGB gaming headset from Rakk Gear. We're going to unbox it, check its physical overview, run through its features, and of course do some mic tests. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video. Price at 800 pesos according to Rakk.ph, 1,000 pesos if you'll buy it online in Lazada.com. More likely it's around $20, shipping not included. So what do we get in the box? Of course, the headset itself and nothing more. For now, let's check out the physical overview. For the design, it looks fine and flashy, and majority of the build is plastic, but the headband is metal. It doesn't have a decent amount of pressure for its headband, and I think it's too loose on the top and too tight at the bottom. More likely, most of the pressure will be under your ears, and in my experience, I started becoming uncomfortable after an hour. The ear cushions are fine and does not absorb sweat. Comfort-wise, it really has a great feel in it, but the headband's pressure under your ears ruins all the comfort. The cushions are also removable so that you can wash it anytime. Just so you know, while I was trying to remove the ear cushions, I was wondering what is wrong with this picture. So as soon as I was able to remove it, I found out that the ear cups, or should I say both of the ear cups, are missing 10 screws to keep them in place. If you already bought this thing and have the same issue, please let me know in the comment section below. The padding on the top is not the best, but it doesn't feel uncomfortable either. The mic is permanently attached on the left side. It is flexy and you can place it wherever you want. And on the tip of that mic, it glows red. But unfortunately, you can't change that color or turn it off in any way. At the back of the ear cups where lies the RGB LED, Rakk logo, and the plastic build silver-like cover. There is also a USB cable to power the LED light and the gold-plated 3.5mm jack for audio and mic. Now let's check out some specifications. It has a unique cove lighting effect, which unfortunately stays as it is. And you can't change it to any static colors that you want, so it could match your setup, since it doesn't have any software of any kind. It has an omnidirectional mic with noise reduction. More into that later in our mic tests. It has a durable rubber coated cable, which I'm not a fan of because it's too thick and too heavy for my taste. And if you want to know more about the headphones technical stuff, you could just check this out and pause the video. As for the audio quality, as mentioned in the box's specification, this headset's bass is awesome, and the mids and the highs are quite better than the Rakk. The overall sound quality for me is awesome and satisfying. Now let's check out some mic quality. So this is the sound of the headset's mic directly plugged into my PC without editing. Now this is the sound of the headset's mic plugged into the Cinex 302 audio interface with custom equalizer setup. Now I'm spinning this headphone to determine what is the polar pattern of this mic. Now I'm going to play a music and let's hear how much sound this mic picks up. And now I'm banging on the keyboard, and this is the sound of the mic while I'm banging on the keyboard. This is the clicks. In conclusion, the sound quality is a little bit better than the Rakk. However, the build quality is terrible, especially with those missing screws on both ear cups, and the pressure of the headband under your ears is really annoying. I'm also not a fan of the mic's quality since it's a bit muffled, and the buzzing sound of the mic doesn't stop no matter how much you try fixing the way you plug it in your PC or in your audio interface. And I also hate the fact that the RGB lighting stays as is and it's not modifiable through any physical button or software. However, the RGB lighting is vibrant and aesthetically pleasing. Overall, I'll be honest, I don't like the headset. This is one of the products I regret buying because I know I can get a better one for its price. Take the Rakk Dagu for example. It's half the price, it's sturdier, it's more comfortable with better mic quality, and you get almost the same sound quality. So, I don't recommend anyone buying the Rakk Karul headset. Get the Rakk Dagu instead. Well, that's just my opinion, but let me know what do you think in the comment section below. So that's it guys. If you found this video interesting and helpful, make sure you give us a thumbs up and share it. And if you want some more, simply subscribe as well as follow our socials down at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next episode.